Have you ever wondered why some people rise above every challenge while others remain stuck, no matter how hard they try? The secret isn't just talent, connections, or luck. It's the knowledge, mindset, and strategies they choose to embrace. Developing the right mindset is the cornerstone of success, but achieving it isn't always easy. That's where the right guidance comes in. Books have the power to shape your thinking, teach lessons that experience alone might take years to reveal, and provide strategies that accelerate growth. So today I'm sharing 10 books that every entrepreneur, business person, or ambitious individual must read at least once in their life. These aren't ordinary books. They are blueprints for thinking differently, taking bold action, and achieving extraordinary success. Let's get started. 1. Mindset by Carol Dweck. Mindset uncovers one of the most powerful truths in life. Your mindset shapes your success. People with a growth mindset see failure as a stepping stone, challenges as opportunities, and effort as the path to mastery. This book teaches you to stop limiting yourself with fixed beliefs and instead embrace the idea that you can always improve. By changing the way you think, you can unlock potential you didn't know existed and achieve results others might consider impossible. Every entrepreneur, leader, or ambitious person will find this insight transformative. It changes not only how you approach business, but how you approach life itself. 2. The Diary of a CEO by Stephen Bartlett. In The Diary of a CEO, Stephen Bartlett opens the doors to the raw realities of entrepreneurship. It's like reading the private journal of someone navigating the highs and lows of building a business empire. Bartlett shares his struggles with self-doubt, risk-taking, and leadership, providing lessons you can immediately apply. Every page encourages reflection and challenges you to rethink your approach to work, ambition, and personal growth. This book isn't just theory, it's lived experience, making it essential for anyone who wants to understand the mindset and habits of today's most successful entrepreneurs. 3. The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. The Slight Edge reveals the magic of small actions done consistently. Jeff Olson explains why people fail to achieve their dreams, not because they lack talent, but because they ignore the tiny daily choices that compound into success or failure. Every step, no matter how small, matters. By embracing these simple yet powerful principles, you can create momentum that leads to extraordinary achievements in both business and life. This book teaches discipline, consistency, and patience, proving that monumental results don't come from luck. They come from everyday decisions done right over and over again. 4. The Almanac of Naval Ravikant by Eric Jorgensen. This book is a masterclass in wealth, happiness, and decision-making. The Almanac of Naval Ravikant distills the insights of one of the sharpest minds in entrepreneurship. Naval's philosophy teaches you how to think for yourself, prioritize what truly matters, and build both financial freedom and personal fulfillment. From investing to life strategy, this book gives actionable wisdom that can change the way you approach business, money, and life. It's a guide to being both rich and wise. 5. Anything You Want by Derek Sivers. Anything You Want is a manifesto for creating a business that serves your life, not the other way around. Through the story of founding CD Baby, Sivers shows that success comes from simplicity, authenticity, and focusing on what truly matters. Forget following everyone else's rules. This book empowers you to make bold, unconventional decisions, to serve your customers with integrity, and to build something you're proud of. It's short, sharp, and life-changing. 6. $100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi. $100 Million Offers is a roadmap to building offers that are too good to refuse. Alex Hormozi teaches you how to craft high-value products, understand customer psychology, and create offers that practically sell themselves. If you've ever struggled to get people to pay what your product is worth, this book is a game changer. It's practical, actionable, and filled with strategies that can scale your business quickly, giving every entrepreneur a concrete advantage in today's competitive market. 7. The E-Myth Enterprise by Michael Gerber. Michael Gerber's The E-Myth Enterprise exposes a crucial truth. Most businesses fail not because of the product or service, but because the owner gets trapped doing the work instead of running the business. Gerber teaches how to build systems, processes, and structures that allow your business to grow without relying on you. This is essential for anyone wanting to create a business that scales, frees them from daily chaos, and truly generates wealth. It's a must-read for sustainable success. 8. The Personal MBA by Josh Kaufman. The Personal MBA condenses the knowledge of traditional business schools into one powerful book. Josh Kaufman covers value creation, marketing, sales, finance, and strategy, all in practical, actionable terms. For anyone who wants to understand how business really works without spending years or thousands of dollars on an MBA, this book is gold. It teaches you the mental models, frameworks, and principles that will make you think like a business leader from day one. 9. 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. Peter Thiel's 0 to 1 challenges you to think differently about innovation and business. The book isn't about incremental improvements. It's about creating something truly unique, something the world has never seen. Thiel teaches monopoly thinking, how to identify rare opportunities, and how to build companies that define entire industries. For anyone aiming to leave a lasting impact or start a business that truly changes the world, this is a guide you cannot ignore. 10. The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. The 48 Laws of Power is controversial, but invaluable. Robert Greene distills centuries of strategies used by the world's most powerful figures. From negotiation to influence, this book teaches you how to navigate complex social dynamics, anticipate challenges, and operate strategically. For entrepreneurs, leaders, or anyone wanting to understand how power really works, it's a manual on influence, strategy, and the subtle forces that shape success and failure. These 10 books are not just titles on a shelf. They are life-changing guides that can redefine how you think, act, and grow. Each one provides unique strategies, mindsets, and insights that can elevate your personal and professional life. Whether you're starting a business, climbing the corporate ladder, or simply seeking to unlock your full potential, these books are essential. So tell me, which of these have you already read, and which ones are missing from your library that could completely transform your journey?